home sweet home. Let's check it out.
Yeah, we just moved here 2 days ago.
Oh, you just moved here 2 days ago. Wow. Reminds me of like Mexico or something. It's cool. So we're going to check out this little apartment house kind of thing down this alley. Pretty colors and stuff. And they got a place here for 6,000 peso per month. And it's only about a kilometer from the beach. This is it. For 6,000 peso. What a bargain. That's great. So it's like a little townhouse, really. Alright, cool. Thanks, Chris. Chris's bandanas. Shoes off?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
We have to screen.
This is nice. Security. Yeah, it's cool, bro.
Bikes here.
Bike storage. Right around town. It's great.
For us,
Look
it's
at
the
this.
biggest apartment we've ever had.
This is the biggest apartment you've ever lived in, really?
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
I mean, it's not that big, but.
Yeah, we've been traveling for like 3 years.
Yeah.
So we're always getting like small.
Yeah.
And Chris said that, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So you can, I mean, that's the kitchen.
Kitchen, yeah, cool.
And then
It's great for 6,000 peso. Awesome.
we built this, pretty much built the toilet.
Oh, really?
Hold on. Like we had the guys melt that sink,
Yep.
and we have like an actual flush toilet.
Yeah, cool. Proper toilet.
There's there's like a shower, but I don't know how to turn it off. Like the knob is broken.
Oh, yeah, that's the knob. So, still a few little things to do.
There's lots to do. Once we get the internet, we'll like paint. I don't want to put money into it.
Exactly. So, they're trying to get fiber internet.
But like the best thing that we like about this is the storage. Like
Lots of storage. Yeah, that's cool. Awesome.
yeah.
The girls are happy. I like this little window. This is cool. It's awesome. Let the air through. Awesome. Let's go
Our
upstairs.
last apartment didn't have like any windows. It was just concrete. And so there's 2 bedrooms up here.
2-bedroom. Cool.
We're thinking we don't want to live on like a bunk bed, so we're
Yeah,
thinking
sure.
to put all the bunk beds in one room and put them on Airbnb.
Yeah, Airbnb. Cool, man.
Wow.
Aircon.
Nice.
So it does have aircon. A little bit of a view. Palm trees at the back. It's great for 6,000 peso.
It is?
We should have just crashed here, man.
Yeah, but we don't have any beds on those beds.
Little sink. You can see the view out.
This is what we need in the house, baby.
Very colourful.
You have kids?
Oh,
We have dogs.
we have 2 baby dogs, Cisco and Quark. We need that. I'm tempted to take that from you. We actually need it because Matt's going crazy about that thing. The dogs keep coming up to his house. So the 2nd bedroom. Another bunk bed. This is nice. I love this room. There's a lot you can do with this. And it's just so cute. Like corner room. Lots of light. Yeah, very pretty. Awesome.
Yeah.
And this is the digital nomad setup. Whose setup is this? Yours, Chris?
That's Chris.
Okay, cool,
I'm
man.
using like this is my teaching stuff.
Cool.
But where is my teaching thing?
That's awesome. Paying how much per month?
6,000 pesos.
6,000 peso a month.
Yeah, and everyone tells me it's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
It's way too expensive.
So what do the locals pay?
One of our neighbors in the old apartment, they're paying like 2,000 pesos, and they're like 2 people in the house.
2,000 pesos. So you can get a little townhouse like this for 2,000 peso. Wow, that's
Probably
amazing.
smaller.
Yeah, but you can live
Yeah.
here for cheap if you want.
Yeah, wow, very cheap. Very cheap. You can live here forever. Awesome.
We like how there's no like
Cozy.
dogs here.
No dogs?
Well, there's a couple, but
I love these windows. These shutters are cool. Let's open this one.
I like the windows downstairs, the old style windows.
Look at that. It's really cool. Awesome. So that's your desk. Cool little laptop. You're a Star Wars fan?
No.
No?
It was a gift. I didn't know it was a Star Wars thing.
Oh, okay,
They
cool.
told me.
Fair enough. Yeah, well, it's nice. Little kitchen, couple of desks. Yeah, it's great for 6,000 peso. It's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. Really good price. Double thumbs up.
yeah, double thumbs up.
Surfy style. Little surf town of Baler. Kind of reminds me of Byron Bay in Australia. Hippie surfy town. Very cool. Hey puppy. It's got a little dog here. Guard dog. I better stay back.
It's really quiet for
really
what
quiet?
we're used to.
Yeah, it's great.
Because our other place had like 7 dogs and like 10 roosters.
Yeah, I hate that. And karaoke. No karaoke?
It's been good. Like it's
Been
like the
good?
first time I've been able to sleep. I usually sleep with headphones on. Just can like
Fair
listen
enough.
to music or something instead of all the noise.
Yeah, cool.
It's good here.
But yeah, this place is great. I love it. 6,000 per month. Well, if you want to move to Baler, you can find a little funky townhouse like this for 6,000. It's a real bargain, actually. And very close to town, too. Door out the front. Getting some smokes. Nice. Chow King and Jollibee because it's just opened in town.
But like they have all the small restaurants, but you can't park your car like
No.
at the local places.
It's
so you have
hard
to
to park here, yeah.
like everyone goes to Chowking and Jollibee.
Yeah.
It's so busy.
Oh, at the Jollibee bar.
Jollibee parking.
The line there in the weekend is like impossible. to
Yeah, we experienced that. Someone hit the car.
get. Yeah?
Yeah, well, me. It was my fault, yeah. But yeah, it's lovely. I like the place. I'll definitely be back to Baler. Yeah, we love it.
I mean, like it's really quiet and there's only tourists on the weekend.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
weekdays it's quiet and no one really bothers you to buy anything. You know, like if
Yep.
you go in the touristy places,
That's
they're like
true.
buy this, buy that. No one really do that.
No,
So it's nice.
yeah. And just walking on the boardwalk for the sunset's really nice. We did that yesterday. We've seen like lots of people out and just sitting on the boardwalk.
Yeah.
Yeah, watching the sunset, and it was a beautiful sunset.
That's good,
Yeah,
yeah.
really good.
We do have a lot of power cuts though.
Yeah, I imagine that. It's like Boracay.
I saw a generator upstairs.
Oh yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
That's a big
It's
power
a
line.
battery. It's like the biggest battery pack in the world.
So you got the portable aircon and the generator.
A portable generator, yeah.
Awesome.
That thing's awesome. It will power your computer and like 2 fans and a couple lights for I don't know, like 5 or 6 hours. I don't know.
The digital nomad lifestyle.
It makes me happy. Whenever the power goes out, I'm happy because I'm like
Yeah.
I have a generator.
Well, you're welcome to Subic anytime, guys. Anytime.
Thank
You're
Mary
most
has
welcome.
her own
I blog.
So what's the name of the vlog?
AmeriRoad.com. It's mostly, I don't do videos, it's all writing.
Okay, so what was that again?
Mary Road, so A and then Mary
Yep.
and then road.
.com. A Mary Road.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's clever. Very clever. So that's about your backpacking and digital nomad
but yeah,
lifestyle.
basically.
And apparently you're very popular. Is that true?
I don't know.
Hello.
But mamaya na ba? Salamat. They want garbage.
Oh,
They
okay.
collect the garbage.
Garbage collector.
Are you gonna give it? Okay.
Okay, cool.
But yeah.
So if you want to check out a cool blog, check out amerirose.com.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Alright, thank you for showing us your
You're
beautiful home.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you as well for coming.
Thank you.
Salt water, yes.
So the road, you can't actually get a car in, it's trikes only. So that's the only downside, like if you have a car, you can't actually fit it in here. Because the laneways are too small. So yeah, how to get in and out of this place, it is always by trike. Patty. Here we go. At the bee, Jollibee. Thanks for watching Property Club. This has been Peter and the crew. Hey, double thumbs up. Bye for now. Please share, like, and subscribe. Cheers, hot though.
Yeah.